What's up, fam? And today we're playing Geometry Dash. This is the full version. English, my CD, and a be litty. Let me try. Click on these things. Yeah! Yeah! Give me that good. No! Is there more on it? I know, guys, don't judge me. I'm just beginning. Whatever. Base after base after base after base. I'm gonna go with the first one they ever come out. I hate this one because it's so freaking long. Ah! I'm getting rage already. Oh yeah, and leave a like. Leave a like if you want me to get White Day. If you don't give me 1 like, I won't play. So, yeah. You better stop! Oh my god. Oh my god. You better stop! Stop! Please don't make me have to deal with triple spikes. Get him with the toss! Yeah! I want to show you guys my little animation. Look. Base after base after base after base. If you guys like it, I'm gonna start making animations soon. Once I get something. I have to get one of those drawing laptops. And I'm gonna get a pen to draw with on it. Oh, and if some of you guys are wondering, what's going on with his teeth? I have braces, so if you can tell, doesn't look like it. Oh my god, that's so scary. You better stop! 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 Just stop! Just stop! You better stop! Stop! Get to him! I can't do it. Only 2 more %. I got that. Let's go to our might delete this because it's making me mad. I'm gonna use this, actually. Let's see what's up with this. I hate when it does that. I gotta use my fingers. Whoa, I keep thinking those clocky things. I can't. What am I supposed to do? What am I supposed to freak? That's my name. He's here. What's my name? What's my name? He's here. What's my name? What's my name? He's here. Whoa. I'm so lost. Let's go see what other ones they have. What is this big blank one? It's fucking huge. Hello, darkness, my old friend. Oh, more me, okay. How are you supposed to do that as soon as you start? I'm gonna search up Corey Kenshin. I don't care what you guys think. I'm a fan of him. Just because you said that, I love you all. I'm gonna get. What? I got a purple. I got a pink color. Whoa. I'm just a beginner. Ooh. Auto. I love those autos. The song's not allowed for chicken. That is so cool. I love the video. Have you ever made Have you ever made a level and then have you ever made a level and then you couldn't beat it? Yep. There we go. Pay attention. You can do it. I'm gonna make this video every Thursday. I'm not good with colors. I can't. What? My eyes! My eyes! I cannot see! Oh, that's messed up. I'm sorry, guys. I can't see that. It's too fast for my eyes. I don't have really good eyes. I need glasses. I have glasses, but I don't use. But anyway, those are rationalizing.
I met this 6-year-old child with this bland, pale, emotionless face. That is died. What is
Hey, get up. Ooh. That is honestly so cool. That is so cool. Next, I'm gonna do Bendy after this. You said all these levels. You said all these people that they're doing for you. You have so many supporters. It is awful. Give me smiling ones. Great, attention. I wonder if any of you guys need to show to me. Sorry guys. When I just play games, I like to take my pants off. I'm so hot. I'm hot like this. I'm hot like this. I'm hot like this. I did not ask for that. I don't want to take a nuggets. You guys basically know that I cannot handle bright lights. It hurts my eyes. It kills them. Picking this guy. Because it keeps itching. Yeah!